Hello students, today we are solving a question from Wave Optics. This is from JEE Mains 2026, 21st January shift 2. It says, in a Young's double slit experiment setup, two slits are kept 0.4 mm apart and the screen is placed 1 meter from the slits. If a transparent sheet of thickness 20 micrometer is introduced in front of one of the slits, then the center bright fringe shifts by 20 mm on the screen. The refractive index of the transparent sheet is alpha by 10 and we need to get the value of alpha. Actually, because of the introduction of the sheet, the center of the screen will no longer have a zero part difference. It will have a part difference equal to mu minus 1 into t, which is the optical part difference created by this glass slab. So now in order to have a zero part difference, the path of the light from the below slit must be increased. So basically the point of zero part difference will shift somewhere up. So at a height y, let us say if the part difference is d sine theta minus mu minus 1 into t. D sine theta is produced by the geometry, correct? The below lay is now having d sine theta extra path, and mu minus 1 into t is produced by this glass slab, right? So there somewhere above the center of the screen, you will have a zero part difference. And for having exact zero part difference, d sine theta must become exactly equal to mu minus 1 into t. So now from this diagram, if you consider the triangle OPC, observe the triangle OPC, you will see that tan theta is going to be equal to y divided by capital D, opposite by adjacent, which is approximately sine theta because theta is very small. Now what we shall do is we shall locate the point of zero part difference. So d sine theta can be written as dy by capital D minus mu minus 1 into t is already there, should be equal to 0. Let's substitute the value. D was given as 0.4 millimeter, substitute that. Y is 20 millimeter, substitute that. Capital D is 1. Mu minus 1 as it is into thickness of glass slab is 20 micrometer, substitute that. You will see the two 10 power minus 3s and 10 power minus 6 can be taken common and sent to RHS. They'll become 0. You will be left with 8 minus of mu minus 1 into 20 is equal to 0, or mu minus 1 is 8 by 20. This gives you mu is 1.4. But they have told mu is some alpha by 10. So if 1.4 is alpha by 10, the value of alpha will be 14. This is our answer.